Taking a look at this portable bidet from Easy Home. It has a seal. We'll open that up and open up the box. So it has a bag like a lot of the travel bidets do, so that you can carry it around. It's like a silicone bag or something. Bidet itself, and some instructions, I'm guessing, in there. There's instructions on the side of the box as well. Looks like it unscrews. That's how you'd fill it. There's a charcoal activator in there. You might want to pull that out before you fill it up with water, of course. So you just pull the top off, and I figured that out. And then you can extend the, oh nice, you extend the nozzle like this. Oh, and then it has an on-off. How cool. I haven't seen one like this before. So this one has a gasket here. Looks like you could fill this with water and keep it contained. You know, keep this thing full of water like this in the bag when you need it. Pop the top. Extend this. Now there's a gasket down here and a gasket up here. And now you can flip it from locked to unlocked. The bottle itself is a squishy silicone bottle. And you see there's a shower head type of end there. This has got some really neat features. So this is the travel bidet from Easy Home. Very nice, feature rich, subtle, and would make a great gift for people who travel. Hope this helps.